Hello, in this video I want to look at a couple things that should help really speed up your development. The first is Live Preview, a plugin that's available in VS Code, and the other one is value tweaking using custom hotkeys. Okay, here we go. So here's a scene. So the first one is extensions, and what we're looking for is live preview. So if you don't have this loaded already, you're looking for live preview. There's also live server, which is, I guess, really similar and just as popular, but I haven't really played with that one this much. This live preview is installed by default, I believe. And so what that does is, now that that's loaded, what I can do, let me close this. I'm going to do Command Shift P, which is the command menu. And I had it running, so I'm stopping it. So Command Shift P, I start typing live, and it's live preview start server. And what that'll do is kind of open this little web browser thing right within VS Code, which is really awesome because you don't have to keep pressing save and refresh. And you can you can also just save when you're happy with like a forward progress. So that's the first thing. Pretty simple. The next one involves using keyboard shortcuts. So in this, we're going to go to settings, settings, keyboard shortcuts. And we're looking for Emmet. Here we go. Okay, and then what we want to do is assign, by default, there's no keys assigned to these, so we're going to do that. So first is decrement by 1. And so to assign a key, you just click what you want, Alt page down, and hit Enter. And then, so that's decrement by 0.1, and then decrement by 1. We just do down arrow, Enter. Decrement by 10-ish. I like shift. I mean, it can be anything you want, really. Now, this might take away other functionality, but I think it's worth it. So increment by 0.1, Alt up. Increment by 1, up. And increment by 10, shift up. Okay. So now that that's set up, what that lets us do is, now if I shift and select a number like so, I can go up or down on the arrow and change the number on the fly. And I can do shift to do bigger, to do it by tens. And then if I'm doing something like type settings, I could do Alt, and it'll be tenths. And this is just the greatest thing. Yeah, you can imagine. So, I don't know. Let's say it's 50%. So it lets you just kind of tune in exactly what you're looking for without having to save, refresh all the time. It's awesome. Okay,